Setting up your EETV box with a wired connection provides enhanced stability and performance, especially crucial for streaming 4K content and cloud gaming. Let's walk through the complete setup process step by step. First, let's review the essential requirements you'll need for a successful wired setup. Having the right components ensures optimal performance and compatibility. You'll need an EETV box from 2020 onwards, an Ethernet cable with Cat5e minimum or Cat6 recommended, an EE Smart Hub or compatible router, and an active broadband connection with at least 10 megabits per second for HD or 25 megabits per second for 4K content. Now let's move to the physical setup process. This involves making the actual cable connections between your devices. Connect the Ethernet cable from your EETV box to any available LAN port on your router. The connection should be secure, and you'll hear a click when properly inserted. Power on your EETV box and wait for it to boot up completely. The box will automatically detect the wired connection within 30 to 60 seconds, indicated by network status lights. Once the physical connection is established, you'll need to configure the network settings on your EETV box through the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings, then Network, then Wired Connection on your EETV box menu. For most users, select Automatic Configuration, which will handle all network settings automatically. Advanced users can choose Manual Setup to assign a static IP address, customize DNS servers, or adjust the MTU size from the default 1500. However, automatic configuration works perfectly for most home setups. Your wired connection setup is now complete. You'll enjoy enhanced stability with 99.7% uptime, reduced latency for responsive streaming, and reliable 4K content delivery without buffering interruptions.